Hello everyone, in this video tutorial, we are going to learn the construction axis. The construction axis is the temporary line that can be used as the reference when creating, snapping, rotating or transformation the sketches or bodies in our design. We are going to create a simple body like this by using the construction axis as the mirror plane. To create other elements of the sketch, first I am going to delete the body. I am going to sketch on the top work plane. Click Sketch. Click the rectangle. Place the mouse on the origin of the axis. To set up the center point, move the mouse out and define the dimension 20 cm by 20 cm. Click Circle. Click and move outward, define dimension the radius to 2 cm. Apply the tangent to the circle and the rectangle lines. Click Close. Click Add. Click Construction Axis. Click Construction Axis Type. Click through 2 points. Click to place the start point of the axis. Click the other to place the end point of the axis. The construction axis is created. You could click and drag the point to place to the specific point that you would like. Click Done. Click Transform. Click Mirror. Click the circle. Click the construction axis. Click Done. Click Sketch. Click Line. Click the midpoint of the rectangle line. Move the mouse and double-click another midpoint. Click Close. Click Add. Click Construction Axis. Click Construction Axis Type. Click through 2 points. Click to create the start point and end point of the construction axis. Click and drag to the exact point and then release the mouse. Click Done. Click Transform. Click Mirror. Click the line. Click Construction Axis. Click Done. Click Sketch. Click Trim. I will trim the segments of the sketch. Click Offset Edge. Click the circle. Click and drag the arrow and define the dimension 0.7 cm. Click Circle. Click More. Click Mirror. Click Construction Axis. Click Done. Click Sketch. Click Trim. Trim the segments of the sketch. Click Close. Click the surface of the sketch. Click the arrow and drag up, define the thickness to 2 cm. Click the Item Manager. I will delete the sketch and the axis. Click the top face of the view cube. Click the Item Manager. Click the body that we have just created. Click the arrow and drag to rotate 45 degrees.